Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty by Shefira again. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I used neon pigments to create this eye look that was inspired by my sweatshirt. Please guys, do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you are yet to do that. Voila guys, this is the final look. Tell me guys what you think about this look in the comment section. I'll definitely be reading and looking forward to your comments. Again, if this is your first time watching my video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. This is me making a pretty baby face and begging you to subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.